Hey everybody. Maybe you're actually hearing me this time for once because I think I had my mic set up wrong before. I'm back here with Twilight for another multiplayer Monday in Space Engineers. We're gonna see about
Yay.
finishing up Twilight's modification to the mining vehicle we found.
Oh yeah, that's what we're working on. We have to go back to we have to go back to that main mine, don't we?
Yeah.
Alright. We're trying to what we were trying to do, we were trying to
Yeah.
set it.
We're trying to get as much stone and gravel as we can for the reactor component, because they take
Yeah,
silver and gravel.
right. And the way the default mine is set up, it's like
It's kind of more set up for like clearing out the caves using a special, like the right click
yeah.
drill, which basically just clears out a bigger area.
Yeah.
And it's not quite so awesome for actually trying to dig up, collect all the stone you're mining through.
Yeah. Alright.
And I've set up a giant drill that will probably be what gets us most of the actual stone. But I like the idea of you learning how to build stuff.
Yeah. So you mentioned previously that one of these little arms was upside down. These little
So
benders.
I think one of the hinges is basically upside down. I don't know a good way of. I guess if you look on the hinge, like on the outer red ring, there's two little notches on it.
Oh my gosh. No. Hold on.
Let's see if I can. Like, there's the kind of you have like the middle circle that's red, then there's like a ring of gray around that, and then around that's the red casing. If you look on,
Okay.
and over here they're on the top. On the red one they're on the bottom, the yellow one they're on the top.
Oh, okay. So which way do we want them to face? The top or the bottom?
It doesn't really matter, I don't think. Let's
Okay.
see. Well, do you want to have it be that when the degrees is above, like goes from 0 to 90, or do you want to go from 0 to negative 90?
Hmm.
Basically, do you want
What
do
if
you
we
want
do?
positive values to be going down and negative values if it's, so I set the velocity here too.
I want negative numbers to go down. So
So then we want to change the one on this side because I believe 0.1 it's going to have it rotating down at us.
okay. So then we want to. Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Alright, and this is like two parts too, isn't it?
Yep.
Ugh.
Basically, each part exists on a different subgrid.
Oh gosh. Oops. Where'd it fall?
Make it
I think I lost.
under the vehicle,
Oh my! Oh no.
or it's
Oh
just
no.
gone. It has its face through the planet.
Okay, well. Guess we'll just make more stuff. Okay, so. What am I doing? I'm doing G, and then I want.
The
There's
hinge.
small blocks, right?
Yeah.
Or hinge. Hinge. H-I-N. Okay. And is it the one with the little plus?
Yeah. And then
Okay, so I click.
you can cycle through those, I think, with the mouse wheel.
Okay. 06. Alright.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. And then the... How to turn this? Oh, it's not... I can't make out where...
Yeah. Let's see.
Oh my gosh, do I have the right size?
There's...
Oh, there we go.
Yeah. And you want to make sure that the little dash lines are down.
Okay, that... Can you tell?
I can't see anything until you place it. And then I can't tell until we weld it up.
Okay. I think that was it.
Okay, up here. Yes, that looks correct.
Okay, and then I'm trying to get this piston to connect. Yay!
Yay. And then when you get all the parts welded up, I'll show you how to group them together. Or I'll explain how to group them together.
Okay, hold on. I need stuff. Alright, and then I need another drill, which would be 7 on here? Yeah. Okay, but I want a small drill, not a big giant drill. Oh no, wait, is that the right... That isn't the right size, is it? No.
I think I hit a nickel vein.
It's just regular drill, not Protect drill, correct?
Right, we can't do Protect stuff.
Okay. Oh, are they all... Is it just the same size all the way?
Yeah.
Are they just one size? Oh, okay.
There's just one size of drill, and then there's the Protect drill.
Oh.
Like, the only real difference between the sizes is the small grid and large grid.
Okay. Oh, wait. No, I want one. I'm going to start... Here. Do the add to build planner. And then extract from build planner. All right, Soapy or Kitty.
Hey,
Kitty, where are you?
I'm running around the drill.
How's the work?
Looks good.
Other than the color mismatch, but whatever. That's a whole other project.
Yeah. If you want, I can
right. So what?
So basically, you're gonna need to hop in, and then in the control panel, like search for piston.
Okay, hold on. Now to enter. It says the object is being used.
I'm out.
That's you. Okay, so I want to go to the control panel, which is going to be what?
K.
Huh?
K.
All right.
Kilo.
So, and then I want to do
in the search bar on. Let me get into it so I can kind of have a reference point to explain stuff.
Yeah, I did a search. I found piston, and then there's. Go ahead.
So the pistons that had like the ATV part in their name, those are the original pistons that are still there. And then the ones that are just called piston are the new pistons you added, and I think you should create a group with just those two new pistons.
All right. So I select both of them, I'm guessing.
Yep. And then there's on the right hand side there's a block group. And that's just like a little text.
Yes.
Type in the name to like extra piston.
Okay.
And then save it. And then you're going to want to
extra pistons and save.
Yep, and you'll want to do that for the hinges as well.
Right. But they are not showing up. Hold on. Extra pistons. Okay, hinge. Alright, so then we're going to do hinge. Oh, it's hinge and hinge 2. Interesting.
Yeah. That was the second hinge built on that subgrid, I think.
Okay, so I have hinges, I have extra pistons. Now what do I want to do to even up those two hinges?
So the easiest way to do that is let's set, like while they're both selected, set a max rotation of like 20 degrees and then set their velocity to like 0.1.
Okay, hold on. So let's say upper limit 20 degrees.
Yep.
While we have them both selected, and lower limit we're doing 90 still, or do we want to do?
Let's do like 45 for now.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. 45. And then velocity is how much?
0.1.
So just okay. Hold on. 0. Can I just type in that? No,
yeah.
I cannot. Huh? Oh gosh.
Yeah, okay, yeah, you can't type in it, you gotta, one sec, there's a way to do it. I think you have to, basically to control click on the value.
Oh. Well, I have it at 0.15, which should just be fine.
Yeah, so now you should be able to, reverse them to move them up or down.
Okay, so are they just gonna go automatically back and forth?
No. They will basically move until they reach their limit, and then they'll be stuck there. You can also, if they're moving slow like that, you can lock them in place.
Yeah.
So if you lock them in place, that will stop them from moving.
How do I just lock them?
you would hit. There should be like a little checkbox somewhere for like lock rotor
All
or
right,
lock
hold
hinge.
on. Safety detach, reverse. Oh, there's like a reverse. Oh, there's like a reverse button.
Yeah. I can't remember. Let me go to the file so I can look at one of the three. Yeah, like under the button group where it has like the reverse and detach, there should be like a rotor lock or a hinge
Okay, hold
lock.
on. How do I turn on these? No, that isn't it. Okay, let's go back to K.
Yeah, and so before, like once you get your group set up,
Hold on. Wait, what did you say? So I have the group. I have the velocity.
like there should be a like little check box under that to lock them, like a toggle checkbox.
Oh, hinge lock.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
there,
Okay.
and
All right.
and you have your drills in a group as well.
Now. Yeah, I suspect that I broke whatever.
Yeah, whatever group they had for that probably got broke when we redid the drills. We'll need to recreate that group, and then I'm gonna
Okay,
teach you.
so.
And then I'm gonna have to teach you how
Okay.
to set up your hotbar.
Yeah, so we have the drills as a group. We have. Alright. So.
Now you can close the console.
Alright, I did that. What is going? This little vehicle is just doing a little boogie.
Yeah, you're gonna meet Clang probably.
Clang.
Clang, our almighty god of chaos.
Oh.
And Clang is summoned by having complex, subgrids like what we've got set up here.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Yeah.
so now to set it up so you can control the stuff from like the vehicle, like the number bars up top, you're gonna press
Yeah.
G.
What?
G.
B?
G. Gopher.
Oh, G. Gopher. Alright.
And
Groups.
yep, and then basically you're gonna drag your drills down to where the drill button was.
Oh, okay. Drill. So that one I'm putting there.
And
Alright,
then,
so toggle.
and I'm
Alright.
thinking,
So that comes up with a big menu. Toggle on, off, toggle on, toggle block off,
yeah,
show on HUD.
toggle on off. I think that's the way you want. Because basically, if you do that, then you'll just turn the drills on, and you don't have to use the mouse button to run them. And then you're going to want to add just extra pistons to the list and have that basically reverse their direction, their velocity.
Okay, reverse back and forth. And then here's a problem.
You're out of spots, right?
Yeah.
So hold
Oh,
control.
there's a little.
Hold control and press 2.
Hold control 2. Oh gosh, there we go.
Now you have
Oh, and look,
blank.
there's more stuff on there.
Oh.
Hold on, what is?
I have
what
no
is
idea.
This antenna?
Oh.
Ore
yeah.
detector.
Yeah.
Air vent.
Yeah. So I guess hit control 3. Go until you find an empty one. So we're just gonna add all of the stuff there.
Okay, no, that's even better. So why don't I do? So we'll do pistons. That was reverse. We'll do hinge, and that's reverse as well, correct?
Yep.
And then we do extra pistons. We're doing reverse.
And you're going to have the hinge lock as another button so you can just lock that on and
Okay.
off.
So I want... Okay, so why don't I move this one? So what is hinge, lock, on, and off? Okay. Alright, so I would do... So I close out of this. Close out of this. Alright, and so I would do...
Down the
4...
hinge part. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna... I somehow did not take any damage from that.
Oh, I guess I should have warned you. Oh my. Okay. And so is this picking up most of the stone
I think so.
that is drilling out? And then...
Yeah, it's going to pick up all of the stone that's drilling out, or at least most of it. Like, some might get dropped.
And so we want to do 5. Turn off the hinge lock. This is quite the monstrosity that we have invented.
Yeah. And we could theoretically connect the drills together to make it a little bit more stable. That actually might ironically make it even more unstable. And like the way you do that is a little bit tricky.
Yeah. Curious now. Oh, like put a brace between them?
Yeah.
No, it seems like a bad idea.
Yeah.
Alright, I don't know why it's decided to move. Oh. How do I zoom in and out of my view on the video? There. The real question is whether or not we'll be able to actually get this into the...
Yeah.
Gone to their lowest point. Are they at 45?
I'm not sure. I mean,
I had the hinge lock on. No wonder.
but I managed to blow up my drill.
You blew up your drill? Is that what it was? That boom that I heard?
That boom you heard was I had set my drill to go. I was rotating the piston or the hinge, so the rotor, I guess. I was rotating it so I could but it was kind of didn't have room.
Oh. Okay, I think this is 45 degrees. I feel like I might actually want to limit the lower hinge to 30 degrees.
Yeah.
If I don't want an angle. So basically, will I stop seeing the graphic of the stones bouncing all over the place? Or, like, at what point do I know, like, it's cleared out what it can from that spot?
Basically, yeah, I think it might stop sparking. But if there's room for you to move forward or like extend the pistons a little bit, but there's no. Let me see if I can hop on and give those front pistons a. Nope. I want to give them a smaller velocity so that when you reverse them, they're not quite so.
Okay, hold on. 2, maybe reverse that.
There, so when those pistons get reversed, they'll go real slow, like.
Ah. Oh, so I would need a piston lock if I wanted them to go partially out.
Yeah.
Correct?
Correct. Like,
Okay.
alternatively, if you wanted to get really fancy with it, I think there's also an option in, like, the G menu when you're setting them up that you can have extend to a specific length and stop at that length.
Yeah.
So that you basically have to set up, like, I want it to go to this length as a bust end.
Oh gosh, that just seems like, okay, where's my... 6, 5... Extra piston...
Oh my gosh, my brain is gonna have a hard time playing both Space Engineers and Satisfactory at the same time.
Alright, so hinges... We're gonna drop... Let's see, you said there was a... Oh, there we go. Minus... 0.1, correct?
Yeah.
For the hinge... Or 0.1 for the hinge velocity?
Yep, that's what I set it to.
Okay, and then I'm gonna change the lower limit to minus 30. Degrees. Okay. Oh gosh. So wiggly! So wiggly!
Yeah.
See it go. Let's see how far it will go down.
Yeah.
What's going on? What are you doing?
I'm trying to get to the other side of the building.
What's happening? Oh god!
Oh no.
Oh no!
Clang has come for you. Oh my god.
What do I do? What do I do? Parking brake doesn't work! Oh gosh, I'm not pushing any buttons. Okay, well. Oh god. Oh gosh, what? Do I just ride this out?
Can you... You wanna hop out?
I can.
Yeah, hop out. I'm gonna see if I can.
Oh god. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Sophie, I may have ruined our drill. I guess we're doing this whole frickin' thing by hand.
Yeah, so it looks like I'm in here.
Yeah.
It looks like one of the gyroscopes kind of might have been going crazy, or that just clanged out. That kind of felt like a clank thing.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, that's fine. And we're not doing this by hand. We're doing it by giant piston arm of doom.
Yeah. Because we just need a whole bunch of stone, don't we?
Yeah. Yep. I'm just gonna build up myself a little working platform here to add some drills to this.
Yeah.
And try not to get too lost in the sauce about which game I'm actually playing.
Is there a way to flip this back over?
Sorta. Like, basically, about eight. Yeah, no. Like the way to do it would basically be, could try putting.
I know. Hold on.
Like pistons or like counterweight.
Let me see. Hold on. Let me do.
Or you could try rotating your hinges. That might flip you back onto your butt.
Let's see. I don't know that rotating the hinge is gonna work.
Yeah.
Is there like a bounce button or?
Nope.
No.
Basically, you are this game kind of actually does have you having to deal with actual physics. It's nowhere near as friendly as, say, like a GTA game might be about letting you roll the car back over and all that fun stuff.
So really, there's really not much we can do with this.
Yeah, other than basically grind it down for parts.
Inventory full. I broke this vehicle.
Yeah. We'll break our first vehicle. And lots of more vehicles.
Yeah. Come on. Oh gosh, I can't. Oh wow, I really broke this. Like, I feel like I broke even the cargo container.
Yeah.
Like, this is no longer a cargo hauler.
No.
Wow. Well, this doesn't encourage me, Kitty.
Oh no.
Alright.
If it makes you feel any better, I've crashed. I've done similar.
Yeah, I don't even. What are we even trying to do now? We're
Well, I'm
fixing the
basically,
reactor.
yeah, and I'm making a giant drill arm thing to.
Why could this stuff not be deposited? I do not understand.
It's a
Just put the
container
wrong
full.
thing. Let's deposit. Like steel tubes, motors, computers, scrap metal, plate metal.
Yeah, I mean the only reason
Okay,
why.
yeah, that's the connector. That connector is full. Assembler. What can I dump that into? I guess.
You
Can it
could
pull?
if you basically um, open it up the inventory screen and click on the little box so that you're not just looking at your personal inventory or like the one you're directly connected to. You should be able
Yeah.
to select like one of the bigger storage things.
Will it pull from those?
Yeah,
Like if it needs it?
yeah.
Okay.
Like basically, as long as they are connected together,
All right.
they should all.
Yeah, no, I totally wrecked the roof of this one. I think I took out the seats. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
How was this one? So we're down a miner and a cargo hauler.
Yeah. It happens. Like I said, when I played this, I basically went through all of the vehicles I could.
Yeah. We don't have this blueprinted or anything, huh? Oh, I see how they braced it. Those little wheels.
Yeah. Now to make my own little clang device.
Alright.
Pistons on rotors with drills attached to the base.
Pistons on rotors.
And technically the drills I'm putting on now are mostly just to clear up like a sweeping path for the current set of hinges I have.
Yeah.
Or I guess the rotor I have. I tried to rotate the arm out so it was horizontal so I could work on it.
Yeah.
And yeah. It basically blew up the drill.
Yeah.
So
Do we just want to drill this by hand then?
the amount of stone we need, that's gonna be a pain in the butt. And my drills are basically ready.
Okay, well, if you've got that set.
Well, 2 of the 3 drills are ready. like, and I apparently hit a nickel vein when I was drilling down, so. So many trips. Oh my gosh.
Well, it's finished. Like, I feel like the thing's mostly finished running.
Let me check.
I mean, other than what I've been putting in. So, what more is it making?
So we still need 800 of the reactor part, or yeah, the reactor parts, and those are what need all the gravel. And let's see, refinery.
Okay.
Yeah, and the refinery is being a little bit slow because there's some nickel because like I said, I hit a nickel vein, so it's been going through the nickel before it goes through all the stone.
Wow.
You know, I might just.
Oh gosh.
I just grind some of that nickel down.
Okay. And I don't know how to access the cargo containers. I know. Oh, I know what I can do. And I can't even access the stone that's in here. Like, that was a total frickin' waste.
Oh yeah, because it is. Well, let me turn the power back on because I may have turned the power off. There, now that it's not clanging out, you should be able to access the stone.
Oh, okay. Let me see. And did we make ourselves a bunch of rifle ammo?
I think we might have, yeah.
Okay. Like, do we still need to do that? Smoking over here.
Hopefully you're not grabbing these boulders I'm dropping down. Because they're made of nickel and they're kind of in the way of stuff.
Oh. Giant boulders. I guess I should not have tried to be fancy. Just accepted the limitation of the vehicles the developers gave me.
Don't say that. They gave you a shit.
Huh?
They gave you a shit ass vehicle and they know it. I mean, because I have, when I was doing the arcade deliveries, I basically had an instance where I was pulling one of the cabinets out, and it clanged out on me like that. But fortunately, I had block destruction turned off in that world, so it was just a terrifying ride.
Yeah.
And I was able to just copy paste and move everything back into place.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna be right back.
Alright.
Okay, and I'm back.
Welcome back.
And the mission of getting all of the nickel out of the refinery continues.
I think I broke... Oh, I might have broken this cargo hauler as well. Oh my gosh. No, thank goodness. Some minor damage.
I got rid of all the nickel. Now it's prioritizing the stone.
Yay. Ow. Ugh.
I know, right? Not having a jetpack is such a debilitating thing in this game.
Right. Ugh. Something. Why? Did you not?
Oh.
There. Light armor block. Is there like a half block?
Yeah. So,
What?
yes, there's, so basically, the half block is in,
Oh, there we go.
actually, kind of a little angly block.
Okay, I found it. All right. Okay,
Okay.
so I want to do 9. But okay. Ah.
Sorry.
Okay, now how do I change the color?
So to change the color, press P. And I'll bring up your color picker.
Texture's all wrong. I don't know how to match the texture.
So those are the skins at the bottom of the P menu, which
No.
you might not have access to them because they are mostly like if the battered armor skin, which is the one I think they're using, you should have access to.
Okay.
You can also, if you want to match a specific block, like if you have the
Yeah.
block open, you can hold Shift P and it'll pick up that color.
E.
Like have it so that it's highlighted like with the blue box around it, and then hold
Yes.
Shift P.
Shift P. Okay. All right, and then all right, and then P. All right. Defaults. Defaults. Oh. No. There we go. Ah, just okay. So what do I do? All right, there we go. I wonder. Oh gosh. Seriously? Ugh. Okay. Gosh, no. Okay. steel plate to build light half. Okay, so I right click, right? So okay, so I push right click. I run back to the thing. Literally just take 100 steel plates out. Just there. Thank you. There we go. That's fixed. Okay, and it matched up the pattern. The greebling matched. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Alright, so at least we have this. I wonder if I could... What's the most ridiculous way... Oh gosh, there's big stones.
Yeah.
What is the most ridiculous way that I can try to flip this thing over, or should I just go back to mining? Okay, I think you can extend your miners some.
Yeah, I'm having it slowly extend out this way.
How did you...
I'm also I'm using the build info mod. Like if you go up and look at a functional block and press control, if you're close enough to it, you'll get a build vision menu. And you can scroll down to bring up the build vision menu.
Okay, so if I'm looking at it, I push control.
Yep.
Oh, build vision.
And then if you scroll up, you'll get like a bring menu, and if you scroll down, you'll get like a regular looking menu.
Not sure I'm understanding. I just see build vision, drill to groups, drill, power.
Right, just scroll down while you're looking at that. Like you hold control and then scroll down.
And then what do I do with this info?
So you can if you go and you basically click on any of this stuff, you can actually modify it. You can toggle it. You can toggle it on and off like that.
Oh, okay.
I can come up here and
oh, I see. Hold on. Okay. Oh gosh. Just a big, giant hole in the earth. That's, I feel like you're gonna get to a point where...
I don't think I can...
You should do... Yeah, I don't know they can push it any further that way. And then you almost need like a sweeping arm.
Yeah.
At least to sweep out one way, maybe not the other way. And then like an extender.
Yeah, basically I think I want to kind of get it so that I can potentially just have it so that I can have the drills on the end of the piston and then just rotate it to a slightly different degree and push it out.
I even lost the light. One of the rear lights. Okay. Kitty.
Yeah.
Destruction. Alright.
Well, destruction is literally the first thing they got working in Space Engineers too.
Yeah, that sounds believable.
To show you what their priorities are with these games.
Yeah, I mean, okay, so now we're just waiting for us to get enough.
So yeah.
And
basically, I'm also kind of trying to clear out the nickel because that's where it's like the main thing it's hanging up on. Is nickel refines really slow.
yeah.
If I can grab that and dump it down and over here.
Reactor assembler.
Yeah, I think that is for real the end of the nickel. It's the nickel ore.
And we're doing this because we need a whole bunch of reactor components?
Yep.
How many of those do we need?
Let me check. Like, theoretically, 600 more. I guess we could take what we have now and run over and put them in the reactor and see how many, see if basically that, how many we still need after that.
Are we taking them by hand?
Let's see how many we can fit in our little pocket.
Alright. I'm looking. Oh, those are steel tubes. I wanted reactor components. Okay, apparently I can fit about 137 in my pocket.
Yeah.
We're gonna stuff them in the big vehicle, in the big transport.
Yeah. I'm just gonna back it up and transfer them that way.
Okay. Alright.
That will be.
Yeah, you can see if there's much more that got broken on this. I'm gonna go turn off the lights on this.
Oh, its batteries are dead.
The battery's dead?
Yep.
As in broken, or it needs a recharge?
Needs a recharge.
How do we recharge the battery?
Well, there's a couple ways of doing that. One, we connect it to another vehicle.
Alright, hold on. This one still kind of works. I mean, oh. Alright.
Like, the other way is we put on like a solar panel.
Oh, okay. How do we connect these vehicles?
So you gotta get them all butt to butt.
Oh my gosh. Is it just going to be easier to put on solar panels?
Yeah.
Okay. You just wait for it to recharge during the sun. Are you doing that?
Yeah. Need a.
We should probably make sure that our survival vehicle has solar panels then.
Yeah. Need to grind down that ladder.
You want me to do it? I'll do it.
Yeah. Well, make sure your inventory is full. Whoa.
I mean, I dropped a bunch. Yeah.
You ground have.
Grinding.
Weld that back up.
It might have been broken. So we need. I added the components to the build container. Do that.
Draw old components.
Draw components. Alright, I'm gonna grab some steel plates as well. At least if I have steel plates, I can do some frameworks of stuff. All patched up?
Yeah, now I'm gonna figure out a good place to put a solar panel.
Oh, that was our antenna and stuff, wasn't it?
Nope, that was just a light.
Oh, okay. So how do solar panels work?
Basically, they are passive recharge when there's light on them. I might need you to move.
Do they have to track the sun or anything like that?
Nope, they are going to be completely flat against the roof of the vehicle.
Yeah, alright. Ooh. Are there different sizes of them?
This is kind of what we got.
Is that going to be able to back up and connect with things?
Oh, we'll have to remove it once it's done charging.
Oh my gosh. Alright. See, I guess this is why I turn off the power on these vehicles.
Yeah.
do you turn off power again?
Why?
Is there a way to see how much power this vehicle has?
Yes. It should tell you on basically on the side where, like the right-hand side, bottom corner, it'll tell you the weight. And then there's, I guess, 7 hours of battery or
Oh,
whatever.
it's 9 hours. Okay, I see. So now but it looks like it's nearly full. Okay. But I'll turn it off anyway.
Yeah. And I will do the magic. It's daytime dance. Want to see the magic? It's daytime dance.
You're just gonna change the.
Look, I'm doing a dance.
Yeah.
And boom! It's daytime.
I see. Yes, it is now daytime. Alright. Alright, and we are... So at this point, we're just still transferring stuff over.
Yeah.
Let's see something. It has 1 second of power. Alright. Turning it off. Because... No, I guess I gotta turn it on.
Yep, I need to be on the charge.
This,
It's gonna take it a while to recharge as well.
Does it need to be turned off or on, though? Does it matter?
Let's see. Yeah, I think it needs to be on because they're getting... Might just need to add a new battery to it. Well.
Yeah. I mean, did the battery possibly break?
Well, I don't think so. There's still... all the batteries are... None of the batteries would look like they're broken. If they were, they'd say incomplete in the control panel. Do.
Relaying things back. What else was busted? Oh, you just added a battery. Okay.
Must just be way more than enough reactor components.
Huh?
I think I might have added 2 reactors to the build planner.
Yeah.
Okay, so the full one needs 2,000.
Okay, that one's full of reactor components. Are we keeping... Do we need the computer and the construction computers on this one?
Nope.
Okay, so I'm gonna pull those out. This one is full of reactor components. All right.
So grab all the reactor components you can. If you grab any more, I think there's 5.
All right, hold on. All right, I have all of those. How do we? I guess we're waiting for this to charge back up.
It looks like it has enough time. We can drive it now.
2 hours? Okay. I'm gonna let you drive that wild beast.
You want to drive this one then?
I'll drive the little one.
Okay. We got 2 minutes while driving.
Oh my. Do we want to try to butt these?
Nah.
See if we can train. Okay.
It'll be fine. Just don't tailgate me too close, because I might randomly stop moving.
Yeah.
Especially up this hill. Going downhill is free.
Going downhill is free. I mean, technically, driving. So, I'm going... Oh, is it forward or right on this first 4-way intersection?
Right.
Always kills my wrist.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what's that next intersection? It's probably right again.
Yeah.
Mile times.
Spectator County.
You what?
Figure out where you is. I'm in Spectator Camp. I think you're going the right way.
Yeah, I'm almost to the
Yeah. You went
colony.
the right way.
Yeah, alright, now let's see if I can actually back this up into... So do I want to try to back it up to one of these, like...
No, you just want to come all the way through the colony over to the area in the back where the reactor building is.
Oh, okay. Do I back it up to the reactor?
No, we're just gonna pull stuff out of it and run it in and put it in the reactor.
Okay.
It is parked next to my vehicle, to the one I drove over.
Yeah. Okay, and then am I just dropping it off in this cargo area? Does that work?
I think so.
In the cargo connector. Can I just drop it off in the cargo connector?
No, because that doesn't seem to be connected to anything inside here.
Ugh. Of course. So now I'm going... I have to remember how to get in. Oh, this way. Up here. I have to remember the way that I'm going. Down.
They push you through.
Here.
Here, through here.
Where? Here. Oh, here. Oh my god. Okay, and then what am I?
You're basically hopping down on the reactor and welding it.
It needs steel tubes, which I don't have. I guess it will not accept the reactor components without the large steel tubes.
Basically,
oh no, I see. It took them out. Alright.
Yeah, it just can't weld up any higher until we get the steel tubes.
Ow.
Oh no, I just knocked you off. I'm sorry.
Alright. Back this way. Back this way. Run around in circles. Here.
Over here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I don't know if I built I think the reason why we can't pull anything into that assembler is missing a bunch of components still.
Okay, so... where am I going? I'm lost again. Oh, down and around. No, that's not it.
Yep.
There.
That way.
This way.
That way.
Oh, this way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Ugh. Yeah, I was gonna say, do we just want it, like, if we had the assembler working, would it just auto pull that when we were trying to weld up, or?
We could basically dock to the in the garage and then pull through
Yeah.
that as opposed to having to run all the way in and out.
Yeah, what would it take to get that assembler working?
Okay, I'm gonna push you off. Um, I'm gonna add it to my build planner, and then I can take one of the vehicles
Right.
and do a quick run.
Okay.
Because it's basically like 20 motors, 10 displays, and 10 metal grids.
Okay. Alright. We should clear out this little one then.
Okay.
Probably. 7 left in that one.
Do you want to ride with me back to the other place? Or just hang out here for a little bit while you get that stuff?
I mean, I can run back and forth and
Okay.
move these into the bit. Like, I can at least work on this little bit. Like, and
Okay.
then...
I can be quick about this.
Only need 1,000 more left in this. Yay. Makes me wonder what would be faster if we just built a conveyor. I don't think that would work, huh?
Like, it would be really hard to try to do a conveyor up anything inside of that building because we can't grind away any of the parts.
No. Build a giant conveyor from our mine.
Yeah.
No, I don't think it would let us, huh?
It might. It might be it might kind of be approaching the maximum grid size.
Yeah, and it would get in our way.
Yeah.
It would still get in our way.
Well, I mean, like, the building process would be a major ordeal.
Yeah, it would.
And I can just drive, like, ridiculously fast.
Yeah.
Turn up the speed limit and go. Like, I don't mind blowing up.
Oh my.
No, I didn't bounce around too much, so it was...
Noxious gas. Okay. What was that explosion?
I don't know. I didn't hear it.
I don't heard a big boom.
I guess, maybe I'll find out when I head back.
Watch it be the mining vessel. Just deciding that it just didn't want to exist anymore.
Yep, it's still down there on its back.
Yeah.
And I would have heard, if that was what blew up, I would have heard it from where I'm at, and you wouldn't have heard it.
Yeah.
Since it's where I was.
Maybe the grid is just becoming unstable.
Yeah.
Ow. There's 700 more to go.
Okay, I did do a little jump.
Uh-oh.
But everything is fine.
Everything is fine. You're gonna get back here, and our survival vehicle is gonna be smoking. That'd be if I were driving.
Thing I wanted to
Oh,
do,
hey, there
but
you
I
are.
never did. Let's drive real fast. Turn the wheel sharp, going 90 miles an hour. While I left the screen, all my head exploded.
Uh-huh.
In case you were wondering what sort of weird music I was listening to during the power outage.
Oh, okay.
So we now have the assembler.
Yay. Oh, so we have an assembler now?
Yep.
How lovely. How lovely. Does that mean we can...
Potentially bring over some raw components to here and have that assembler go.
Okay. But I mean, does that mean we can drop off the stuff into...
Like the outside container, yeah.
Yeah, and then just pull it from the assembler on the inside?
Yep.
Alright.
And if we have once we have a vehicle that we can safely dock, can we go to dock now? That shouldn't be too.
Alright, I'm gonna let you do this thing. Oh gosh. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah, I just gotta notice that my
9.
reputation is going down.
Your reputation is going down.
Yeah, whatever I'm doing, it is pissing off, like the local faction. I mean, I was like damaging blocks or something with that.
Yeah, well. Let's see. I'm gonna see. Ooh, it might work. It might work. It might work. Yeah, yeah, there you go. Awesome. So now, theoretically, we could
Go in to here and just pull stuff out of assembler. I can show you where that is.
yeah. Over here. Where is that assembler? Oh, there it is. So, we do this. go down here, and I'm like, hey, what all do you need? What all do you need still? I can do that. I'll say, hey, I'm gonna put that in the planner. And then I just need to... Okay, so it's this way. Oh, wrong way. Up. Go over here. Over here. Over here.
I grabbed the last of the reactor components.
Okay. Alright, so basically we need...
like 20 more large steel tubes, 80 more superconductors, which we need gold for, and like 403 reactor components.
Okay. Alright, so... Oh my gosh, I'm so lost.
Yeah.
Goes up. Cross. Out. Down. Out. Okay, so... What does that mean then? What are we doing next? And
I'm gonna pull this vehicle out so it can charge for a little while. Thanks, Joe. And we should take the other one back and I don't know, maybe call it for today.
Okay, yeah.
So basically, we just need a bunch of large steel tubes, and stuff like that. And I think I know a place where we might be able to find a bunch of gold. Actually, let's go to this place I know of. It's really close.
Yeah, isn't there like a gold mine?
There's not a gold mine that I know of.
Oh, okay.
But I think there's like a secret base under, like a little stash under this bridge.
Oh, okay.
See if
so we need to prep up weapons?
Maybe. I don't have weapons with me.
You don't have weapons with you?
Nope.
Well, I've got a gun. So where are we going?
That's what I'm seeing
Down.
about. Down here, I think.
You know that.
Maybe I'm misremembering.
Is it time for us to build a spaceship?
Yeah, maybe we do that. Maybe we change our plans. This place looks fucked. Let's get the fuck out. That's the new plan. We're building a spaceship.
Alright, where are we building a spaceship? Well, I guess we're building a spaceship up near a big assembler.
Yeah.
Because that's where we're gonna have everything. So do we want to do that next game? Basically, we need where are you going?
I was trying to figure out where it looked like you were running off too.
Oh no. So next time we just go over, we grind down the old mining thing.
Yeah.
And we go into space and we find some frickin' asteroid with gold in space.
Yeah. Oh, I know what I think what we can do next time is we're going to build us a flying mining ship.
Okay.
An atmospheric one would be fine. And like an ore detector, and I'm gonna install the mod that gives us big ore detector range.
All right.
I am driving all the way off road.
Yeah, I don't even. Yeah, are we going back to the bridge? What are we? You're just tooling along. You're catching air. This is yeah. It's like you're at a moon rover, but we're not on a moon.
We're on an Earth-like planet.
Yeah, and yeah. Like how into the weeds are we getting here, Kitty?
Fairly into the weeds.
Yeah, like it seems like we're having to do a lot of extra stuff.
Yeah.
I mean, to be fair, I did break our mining vehicle.
Yeah. To be fair, that mining vehicle was not adequate for the actual purpose of mining.
Oh, I hear a beep, beep, beep. Hold on, hold on.
Oh,
Oh, hold on, hold on. This. Beep, beep, beep. So what do I do with this?
Look for a
Do I just
button to
grind it?
push. Look for a button.
Alright, hold on. Button. I don't see a button.
I'm gonna roll. See if I can't roll it over more. Nope. Yeah. See if there's anything in.
Can I
Ooh,
just...
it's magnesium.
Are you able to get to it?
Yeah.
I can't get to it. What's the button?
I've claimed the grid, so it's not going to despawn on us.
Huh?
If it's a... Yeah, there's the button. I found it.
Where is this button? Let me see.
Right
What
there.
am I looking for? Hold on.
Come over to where I am.
Come on. I'm trying to... Oh my gosh.
You can reach it from right here.
Okay. So what do we... So I'm just...
I'm going to push it.
K?
No, like F.
Hold on. Try your luck and get a new special item. Okay. Alright. You did not find any special item. Oh.
So yeah, this is this is an unknown signal. That's what those are about.
So do we just want to grind this down?
Mm-hmm.
Did you already retrieve everything out of it?
I am right now, yep.
Because I'm not seeing anything in it. Oh gosh.
Ow.
Alright.
That's it.
Okay. Alright. I got no special items.
Womp womp. They were doing that like a week or so where they were giving away fancy extra stuff in those.
Oh, yeah.
But I did not participate in that.
Alright. Alright. I guess we're heading to bed.
Yep. Time to go to bed. I don't know if anybody's watching because the little display um, is basically at the selector stream view instead of showing me the details about it.
Yeah.
It
Huh.
says it's upcoming, so that's concerning.
I don't know.
Maybe it didn't stream at all, or I overwrote my
Maybe
other
we
stream.
didn't stream at all. All right. Wait. Hey, am I waving?
Uh, no.
Oh, okay. I guess this doesn't work the way I thought it did.
Did you have the wave emo in
I put
your?
it in my thing.
Yeah,
Yeah. So apparently it I don't know.
yeah. The wave just might not be working right now. So
Face palm isn't.
yeah,
Maybe it just doesn't like me. Maybe it's mad at me because I broke that. Because I broke that mining thing.
maybe.
Grid is mad at me now.
I think all of the
Oh.
free ones are just broken.
Oh yeah. I guess.
Fun.
Yeah. Fun. All right.